Next up on the microphone, Anastasio! Oh, these videos. Oh my God!
My head is dead. Expression techniques are the words that I speak, coming forth from the depths of a realm that I cannot understand, but I don't care to. My thoughts go on while I end, but I'm prepared to infect the world with my Midwest laid-back slacker mentality, which I'm hoping will drastically decrease the lack of peace in RCTs. Let's focus on ourselves before the rest of the world. Educate every boy and girl. And why is it us and them? The police officer's supposed to be your friend. He's someone that you see when you're walking in your neighborhood. We move forward, but it feels like a step back. We claim to be civilized, but I think we improvise to get by on a daily basis. And let's face it, we're a race that harbors hatred, like road rage and sibling rivalry. And these are normal things to find in our society. We're bred to be competitive, but sometimes it comes across and it's misinterpreted. How is it healthy and tolerable? That's horrible. To nourish the logical desire to outwit your brother or sister, that's sinister. Not to wish for success, but only to outdo their best. And have patience with your fellow motorists. They may be terrorists or just tourists. Either way, at times we all drive carelessly, dangerously. We all speed. If it was okay to exceed the limit by 5 miles faster, then the limit would be 5 miles faster. And what happened? I thought we were supposed to drive courteously and carefully, or maybe just defensively. Because some of these cats are doing their own thing. Some of these cats just ain't too sane. Nah, some of these cats are doing their own thing. Ain't got time for no more games. The realization that our nation needs to change our situation is not a new idea. Throughout time, many would contemplate how to integrate our world with a peaceful state, but just wait. It's never too late to make a positive change and rearrange the way that we think of each other. And be brothers and sisters, and not just talkers, but listeners. And learn the only thing to die for is death, but only when time takes your last breath. So won't you tell me how to get some peace in the streets? Can we have some peace in our streets? You see, my people, we need to come together as one forever, to never compromise peace relations from nation to nation. This ain't just conversation. I'm putting it out so that you have the realization that it's not what everyone else thinks, it's what you think. And if everybody thought this way, we could have peace today, uncompromised and here to stay for eternity. You haven't just heard it from me. So give peace a chance, because all we need is love to keep a push from becoming a shove. The preceding messages have been brought to you by the number 1 and the letter P. One planet. One people. Peace. Much love.
It's funny, Candida.